Microsoft is going all in on AI with Copilot, a new everyday AI companion. It'll be integrated into a Windows 11 update set for September 26th, but if you'd like to experience it with some new hardware, Microsoft also updated a couple of its Surface laptops. The new Surface Laptop Studio 2 picks up where the original left off. The design stays the same for the most part, with its unique 14.4-inch hinged touchscreen display that tilts forward over the keyboard and rests on top for easier use as a tablet, and can be used with a Surface Slim pen. Microsoft also switched its mechanical touchpad for a haptic one that gives it more precise cursor control and is more inclusive with adaptive touch. There are new grips to use with the Surface Pen to improve accessibility with that also. The display panel has been upgraded. It still has a 3:2 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 2400 by 1600 pixel resolution, but now has HDR 400 certification and a peak brightness of 650 nits in HDR mode. Also, Microsoft added both a microSD card slot and USB-A ports to the outside, though it keeps its unusual skinny fat body design. There are even more changes inside though, with a choice of two 13th gen Intel Core i7 H-series processors, two NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics chips, or an RTX 2000 GPU if you need workstation level performance. And it can be loaded with up to 64 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD for storage, so there's plenty of performance available for content creation and productivity. It's definitely not cheap, with a starting price of $2,000, and it maxes out at $3,700, and the base model doesn't even include discrete graphics. If you want something more affordable though, Microsoft also updated its Surface Laptop Go. The Laptop Go 3, the company's 12.4-inch, 2.5-pound ultra-portable, got a more modest update with just a new 12th gen Intel Core i5 chip. Since the laptop is aimed primarily at the education market, the use of an older processor is more forgivable, especially since the design is slim and lightweight and sturdy. The $800 starting configuration comes with 8 gigs of memory and a 256 gig SSD, and an upgrade to 16 gigs of RAM brings the price up to $1,000. Both laptops can be pre-ordered now and are expected to ship October 3rd. You can get more details on these laptops and Microsoft's Copilot AI at the links below. As always, thanks for watching, and you'll see me when you see me.